What's going on, everybody? So just got my first results back from the first client that signed up for the pre-litigation credit repair, and I just wanted to take a minute to share these results with y'all. This new pre-litigation credit repair truly is a game changer. So just check out these results and tell me what y'all think. So these are round one results for a client, and as you can see, they've got several deletions, especially student loans, Bank of America, portfolio, CBNA. They went up 110 points on Equifax. They did lose 25 points on Experian. Trust me, that's normal. They went up 47 points on TransUnion. As you can see, the previous report was pulled on October 31st. The re-import was done, it says December 4th, but I think today is actually the 3rd, so that's an error. Software sometimes does that. But yeah, really nice first round, and I just wanted to share this with you.